Knock on the door of the tick-tock house. Tick-tock, give the door a knock and open the door nice and wide. Look inside, take a peek. Eek, it's Squeak!
Tick-tock, tick-tock. What's the time? Time to meet Tog.
Hello.
Time to meet Tizzy.
Hello.
Time to meet... Who do you think?
Me.
Time to meet Toot.
Hello.
Tog, Toot, and Tizzy Mouse, the three little mice in the Tick-Tock house, all coming out to play.
Hooray!
Tog, Toot, and Tizzy Mouse, the three little mice in the tick-tock house.
Tog,
Toot,
And Tizzy too.
we come to play with you. Tog, Toot, and Tizzy Mouse, the three little mice in the tick-tock house. Tog, Toot,
And Tizzy too.
we come to play with you. Tog, Tizzy, and Toot, hooray, hooray, hooray! Toot, Tizzy, and Tog, what are we going to play today? Hooray!
what are we gonna play today? We're going to pretend to be animals, and you have to guess which ones.
You go first, Tog.
Okay. This is an animal that begins with a k sound, and it jumps along like this. Frog! No, Toot. Frog doesn't begin with a k sound.
I know. A kangaroo.
Nice job, Tizzy. A kangaroo. I knew that. Jump, 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 jump. Move like a kangaroo. Put your feet together and just do what kangaroos do.
Jump,
Jump, jump, jump, move like a kangaroo. Put your feet together and just do what kangaroos do. Move like the animals, move like the animals, move like the animals do. Move like the animals, move like the animals.
The animals in the zoo. Elephant! Clump, 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 clump like an elephant clumps. Put your hand right out in front, just like an elephant's trunk.
Clump, 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 clump like an elephant clumps. Put your hand out right in front, just like an elephant's trunk. Move like the animals, move like the animals, move like the animals do. Move like the animals, move like the animals, like the animals in the zoo.
Waddle, 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 waddle with your arms down by your side. Waddle to the water's edge, then slide, slide, slide.
Waddle, 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 waddle with your arms down by your side. Waddle to the water's edge and slide, slide, slide. Move like the animals, move like the animals, move like the animals do. Move like the animals, move like the animals in the zoo. Move like the animals do.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with a B sound.
Ball. That was easy.
My turn. I spy with my little eye something beginning with an ah sound.
I don't see anything beginning with an A sound.
Given
Yeah.
another ball.
Oh, Toot! Let's play soccer.
Okay. How do you play, Tizzy?
You put the ball on the ground and you kick it.
That sounds good. Then what do you do?
Oh, Toot.
Maybe that's not such a good idea.
Well, what are we gonna play?
How about roll in the hole?
Okay.
How do you play that?
How do you
Tizzy?
play that, Tizzy?
There's a hole. Then you get the ball. Then you roll it in the hole. See?
Where's the ball?
Ah, that's the thing with roll in a hole. You can only play it once.
There's another ball over there.
Oh,
Great!
good.
Oh.
But what can we do with this one, Tog? We can't bounce it. We can't throw it. We can't even kick it.
We can't even lift it.
We'll just have to play lazy ball.
Lazy ball.
Yep, it's quite easy. We all sit like this
Yes.
and do nothing at all. Oh, I'm blue. I'm so blue. What can I do? 'Cause I'm so blue. Ooh.
Let's play Think of a Word.
Okay, Toot, you start.
This is something that begins with a S sound. And I'm very good at it.
Sliding?
No. I'll give you a clue.
Squeaking!
King! Yeah!
Everybody's good at something.
I'm very good at touching my toes.
Everybody's good at something.
I'm very good at blowing my nose.
I'm very good at squeaking loud and high.
See? Everybody's good at something. You've just got to try. Everybody's good at something.
I'm good at running around and jumping up and down.
Everybody's good at something.
Oh, and I'm good at rolling round and round and round the ground.
I'm very good at squeaking loud and high.
Everybody's good at something. You just got to try.
La 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 la. I squeak loud and high.
Oh, everybody's good at something. You just got to try.
What time is it now?
Once upon a time.
It's once upon a time.
Once upon a time, and a very, very long time ago, there was a grumpy and angry king who lived in a huge castle near a beautiful lake. One sunny afternoon, he couldn't think of anything to do, so he grumpily called for his fishing rod, and he angrily called for his rowing boat, and he rowed out into the middle of the lake. He cast his fishing line into the water with a kaplunk and waited. It was a warm, drowsy, snoozy sort of a day, and it wasn't long before the grumpy old king fell asleep. He woke up late in the afternoon when he felt a tugging on his line. The king sat up. "A fish," he said, and reeled in his line. "I've caught a fish. It better be big," the king said. "A nice big trout for my supper." But to his surprise, when he pulled the fish out of the water, he saw the most beautiful fish he had ever seen. It was all the colors of the rainbow, and in the sunlight it flashed and sparkled like a jewel. The king was surprised, and he was even more surprised when the fish began to talk. "Put me back! Put me back!" said the fish. "Oh, please, put me back in the water!" "Put you back?" said the king. I'm not going to put you back. I'm going to take you back to the castle and get the cook to cook you for my supper. You're the tastiest fish I've ever seen." "Oh, please don't do that," begged the fish. "If you put me back in the water, I will give you something." "What can you give me?" the king sneered. "You're a fish." "Promise to put me back in the water," the fish said, "and I will give you a chain made of the purest gold." The king didn't believe a word of it, but he said, "Oh, and where do you keep this golden chain?" "Put your hand in the lake and see what you pull out," said the fish. So, holding the beautiful rainbow fish in one hand, the king dipped his other into the water and felt something hard, something cold, something metal. The king carefully pulled it out of the water and saw that he was holding the end of a chain that was made of gold. "The chain is yours," said the fish. "Now put me back in the water." "You've got to be joking," the king said. "A beautiful rainbow fish that can talk? I'd be foolish to put you back." No, I'm going to keep you in a big glass tank for all my people to see. And with this golden chain, I'll be the richest king in the world." And he dropped the rainbow fish into a bucket, filled it with water from the lake, and carefully put it at the bottom of the boat. Then he got ready to pull the golden chain out of the water. He pulled, and he pulled, and he pulled, until the golden chain filled up the bottom of the boat, and then the king pulled some more. There seemed to be no end to this golden chain. There was so much of it that the king was now standing on top of it, and his little rowboat was nearly full. He was pulling so hard that he didn't see that the boat was sitting very low in the water, and the waves were splashing over the sides. In fact, it was only when the king felt his feet get wet that he looked down and saw that the little rowboat was sinking. And in a second, glug, 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 the boat sank. The golden chain went back down to the bottom of the lake, and the beautiful rainbow fish escaped and was never seen or heard from again. And as for the grumpy king, well, he had to swim all the way home. He had lost the golden chain, his little boat, and worst of all, he had no supper.
Here's a puzzle. What is it that pirates are always after and you usually find buried in the ground?
Nuts.
What?
Parrots like nuts, don't they?
Not parrots, dude. Pirates.
Oh, right.
I'll give you a clue. It begins with a T sound. Pirates go looking for buried
Treasure!
That's it!
But what's the X for, Tizzy?
If you're looking for treasure, Toot, X marks the spot.
Oh, yeah.
This way, that way, straight ahead. We looked at the map and that's what it said. Up and around and over and below. Now we know which way to go. We've got a map to tell us all the way. We've got a map so we're okay. We've got a map to tell us all the way. We've got a map so we're okay. This way, that way, straight ahead. We looked at the map and that's what it said.
It's upside down.
Up and down and around the bend. How will we know when we come to the end? When we find an X, that's how. X marks the spot.
Oh, look! There's the X!
But there's no treasure, Tog.
But there has to be treasure, Tog. An X is no good on its own.
Oh, yes it is! Look!
What's happening?
Wow!
Cheesy
chunks!
See? There was treasure after all!
We've got a map to tell us all the way. We've got a map so we're okay. We've got a map to tell us all the way. We've got the treasure. Hooray!
On your marks, get set, go!
And it's number 3 after a flying start, 4 close behind 3. And coming up on the inside is a remarkable late surge by number 1. But it's 5 who's gaining. It's going to be a race to the finish between numbers 5 and 6. It's 4, 5, and 6 neck and neck as they come into the finish line. And it's number 5. Number 5 wins the 1 centimeter sprint in a thrilling race, which was go, go, go from start to finish. I've got a game. What time of year begins with a W sound? Here's a clue.
Winter.
Yeah! And what time of year begins with a S sound? Boing, boing, boing.
What's that?
Spring!
Poor little leaf.
Fallen from the tree.
I think it's an autumn leaf, Tizzy. See? Winter, summer, autumn.
You're right, Tog. There are a lot of leaves on the ground in autumn.
So that's where Lucy goes. Lucy the leaf.
Oh. So this is summer. This is winter. This is autumn.
And last of all,
Spring!
when the daffodils grow and lambs are born and everything is lovely. Time for another game of Guess the Animal. This one starts with a F sound and moves like this. Glub, 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 glub.
Frog.
Oh, Toot, you always say frog.
I like frogs.
I know. It's a fish.
That's right, Tizzy. And here's another one. It starts with a K sound and moves like this. Scuttle, scuttle, scuttle.
Crab!
And where do crabs and fish live?
Under the sea.
Yeah, under the deep blue sea.
If I lived under the big blue sea, what kind of creature would I be? I wonder. Down under the deep blue sea. I'd be a shark with great big teeth, snap at everything I meet down under. I wonder if that is what I'd be. Snap, 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 snapping happily. Who'll be a shark with me under the deep blue sea?
If I lived under the big blue sea, what kind of creature would I be? I wonder. Down under the deep blue sea. I'd be a crab, small and brave, scuttling in my little cave down under. I wonder if that is what I'd be.
Scuttle, 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 scuttling happily.
Who'll be a crab with me
Under the deep blue sea.
If I lived under the big blue sea, what kind of creature would I be? I wonder. Down under the deep blue sea. I'd be a fish and swim so fast, you'd never catch me swimming past down under. I wonder if that is what I'd be.
Swim, 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 swimming happily.
Who'll be a fish with me?
Under the deep blue sea. Who'll be a fish with me? Under the deep blue sea.
Shark!
crab.
Fish! Whee! Lots of fun for you and me. Under the deep blue sea.
Now it's time for every mouse to go back in the tick-tock house. Now it's time to say goodbye. Bye, bye, bye.
That's all for today. Goodbye, Tog.
Bye bye.
Goodbye, Tizzy.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, Toot.
Bye, bye.
See you next time.
Bye, bye.